Can't see shit.
What is going on, guys? So behind me, got the Rx7. I brought it over to the shop. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting on like an update video or just a video on the Rx7 in general. I've just been really busy with making manifolds. So today I'm gonna work on the Rx7. I don't know, some of you guys might like this, some of you guys might not. I know some of you guys were asking when it was gonna be tuned. And it's probably not gonna be tuned for a little while, to be honest. So basically this video is gonna get it basically took back apart, and I'm gonna fix all the stuff I don't like, which is a lot of it, or anything that's kind of janky with it. So my main things are, I'm gonna take everything off, fix the motor mounts. The hockey pucks, I mean, they work. Everything works right. I have a weird vibration that I believe is due from the mounts bouncing up and down, or I don't know what it's from. It might be pinion angle, it could be the trans mount is flexing as I'm driving down the road and it's bouncing. I don't really know, so I'm gonna go back through it. I ordered some really nice, like, make your own mount things where they already have the plates on there and like the urethane bushing sits in it. So there'll be nice mounts. Just gotta wait for it to come in. I'm gonna take the fuel tank down, I'm gonna sump it, I'm gonna clean it all out, I'm gonna fix all the lines and update the lines so that way I can run E85, put it on E85. Need to get an adjustable fuel pressure regulator still, fix a few lines up front. And yeah, I'm gonna raise the motor up a little bit because right now the oil pan's like maybe an inch off the ground, and I have plenty of room until the intake hits the top of the hood. That's why I put it so low, is because I thought it was gonna hit on the top of the hood. So in this video, I'm basically gonna take turbos off, the intercooler piping off. I'm gonna fix the motor mounts. I don't know if I'm gonna fix the motor mounts in this video. That'll probably be a separate video, but I'm gonna take everything off. I'm gonna fix everything. I'm probably gonna do AN coolant lines. I'm gonna get the trans cooler to sit better, fix the intercooler piping a little bit. I actually, which most of you guys will probably like, I'm gonna look into making like some log manifolds for it. So they're not gonna flow very well compared to like a normal tubular manifold, but this way I can put the turbos in the engine bay, put the hood back on it, fix the exhaust. The turbos are still really good. I need to redo the return lines because the one left, the passenger turbo, is smoking a little bit on diesel, and I think it is because of those 1/2 inch return lines. So I'm gonna take the front pulley off, take the timing cover off, put a bung on the other side so that way they both have their own separate bungs, they don't wire together, and try to see about fitting the turbos down low, fix the oil lines. I'm gonna go back through everything, do the exhaust, and then while we're at it, I'm gonna do the rear end, get a rear end for it, do the wheels, go back through the interior, rewire some of the stuff I don't like the headlights. And yeah, so it's gonna make for a lot of videos. It might be kind of boring for you guys because you guys kind of already saw it, but I'm gonna try to document it a little better this time. So yeah, and I gotta fix the radiator because right now how this is set up, and even when I raise the motor up, this spot right here where you go to fill it is a lot lower than this spot. So it's almost impossible to bleed, so I need to weld something off of here that comes up and puts the cap like somewhere in here, like up above that point, so that way I can bleed it easier. But yeah. Oh, and I ordered return line or feed fittings and return line fittings, so they're not these custom ones that I made. Yeah, like fix this janky ass shit, fix these coils and all the plug wires, fix this dipstick, get rid of all the nitrous lines and whatnot. And I'm gonna bring the motor forward just a little bit because it is hitting on the firewall. So yeah, hopefully you guys are excited for it. I know I'm excited to fix all the janky stuff on it. You know, I'm probably gonna be converting the front to 5 lug since they are 4 lug now. But shit, this is 4 minutes already. So I'm gonna start on moving the turbos and kind of cleaning this janky ass shit up. So hopefully it makes for an interesting video for you guys. It probably won't, but let me know in the comments down below.
gonna be the new fucking intro. That's fucked up.
Alright guys, so didn't get as far as I wanted to today on the Rx7. I had to, around 3 o'clock, I had to go get some material for some manifolds I gotta make. Also, to let anybody know who was wondering that didn't watch us when we were live, the B-Series top mounts, they do fit the EFs really good. I can't really explain it, but so the only part you would have to trim is like, say on the EFs, they have this little radiator hood support right here, right? There's like this little lip that's on the backside here. You might have to trim that. That's about it. It fits really nice. With a GT35 style turbo, obviously it'd fit like a Precision 62, 62, 62, 66, 58, 58. It probably wouldn't fit any bigger turbos as long as they're framed similar to the compressor housing, etc. They should fit. But yeah, so today I also, when I got back, once I got that material, I made this B-Series log manifold. This thing will focus. Real simple. This is gonna be for all those people that, you know, they don't want to spend $700, $800 on a manifold. This one will be priced right around $325. So this will be the fitment of the log manifold. This is a GT35. Just for reference, fits decently tight. I'm 100% positive it'll clear the power steering. I'm not positive that this version will clear the AC compressor that goes right there. So this one is going on a car that doesn't have AC, just power steering. So I know this one will fit power steering. I will let you guys know when I double check and see if the AC compressor will fit there. Obviously it's still getting a wastegate entry. I'm not sure if it'll 90 off or just come straight off. It depends on what style gate. I think the normal like old school 2-bolt ones might be too big, so they might stick up too far. So, but the normal like smaller 38mm like MVSs and MVRs should be able to fit straight off. So yeah, if you're interested in the manifolds, shoot me a message on my Big Cartel store and I can answer any questions you guys have. So unfortunately guys, that is all I'm gonna get done on the Rx7 for this video. It's still exactly how I showed you. Got basically everything out of the way. So when I go to do the motor mounts, it shouldn't be too hard to do. So I still have to remove like the alternator and whatnot, but I'm not too worried about that. It's pretty easy. I just wanted to kind of explain what was going on with the Rx7 and why you guys haven't seen any videos on it. So it's been about a month now since I moved into the shop, slowly getting everything moved in, and now I actually have some time to, like, I don't have to run around as much, so now I can spend more time on the Rx7, which is what I want to do for you guys. You know, to be honest, like, I like making YouTube videos, and I like working on my car, you know, and I don't know what route I'm going, whether it's going to be full-time fab work or half and half, you know, just do manifold on the side, do YouTube on the side, see where it all goes. So that's kind of where I'm at this point now, you know. Contrary to probably what a lot of people believe, I don't make that much off YouTube. Like I tell everybody I would make more at like a part-time job making like $9 an hour. So yeah, try to upload more for you guys. I want to try to do maybe 3 videos a week and like sit down on days when I'm not filming and try to come up with video ideas for you guys. But yeah, so next videos are probably gonna be of this M3. Izzy, my really good friend Izzy. This is his M3. It's really sick. He's had this for a while now. We're gonna do a sick ass single turbo setup on it. And as you guys can see, these things are a pain in the ass. We haven't started on it yet, so yeah, it's gonna have a single turbo setup on it. Got most of the stuff for it already. I think it's just stock motor still, so I think he's gonna try and make like 600-700 horsepower on the stock motor. So that'll be a cool series to kind of add to the channel, I guess. I really want to do like an update on that 350Z, but it's back over at PFI, and I think they still have a little bit of stuff to do to it. So it'll be a while until we get some video of that on the dyno. But yeah, this one, should get video of this right away once it's finished. So yeah, be looking forward for those videos of that M3. Gonna do a full custom everything. Manifold, downpipe, intercooler piping, oil lines, etc, etc. So, as always, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If not, give me some pointers down in the comments. Like it, do whatever the hell you want to do. Check me out on Instagram and Snapchat. I guess usernames for those will be in the description. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh shit.